The most expanded field of vision on a Hero camera is out of the box thanks to a revolutionary new image sensor. This allows you to capture more of the sky and horizon in each image, giving you an extra-large canvas on which to express your creativity. Keep your footage's sharpness and rich textures while zooming in, cropping your pictures, switching digital lenses, and more. Unbelievable image quality, with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. High-resolution images plus videos, fast frame rate. The new image sensor in the Hero 11 Black increases photo resolution to an astonishing 27 MP, while also producing 5.3K 60 footage, with incredibly fluid motion, that you can utilize to capture gorgeous 24.7 MP stills of your favorite photos. Additionally, shoot 2.7K 240 footage that may be viewed in 8x slow motion, to capture details that are difficult to perceive at regular speed. Hypersmooth 5.0 raises the bar even more with horizon lock, improved stabilization for 4:3 aspect ratio footage, thanks to their new image sensor, and auto boost for maximum stabilization with minimal image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get some awesome POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth.